Okay, test one. Gonna fill up water in here. So there is definitely water in there. And I'm going to start her up. So I'm gonna press the button. Lights on. Let's see what happens. You can hear the pump running. Okay, so you could hear the pump running for a couple of minutes, and then I get the typical beep, and as you can see, water is gone. So successfully completed the water cycle, but nothing doing in terms of running the load. Okay, so next test is going to be to monkey around with the magnet. So we like that. Pop the magnet down, and just to see if that gives us a go, press the start button, and let's try again just for good measure. Press the start button and try this again. Okay, red light goes on. You can once again hear the pump trying to run even though there's no water in there. Let's see what happens. Well, we waited about another 2 minutes again, and as you can see, well, obviously there wasn't any water when we started, but still no water in there starting. So we're gonna try again, and this time instead of messing with the magnet, we're just gonna go again for a start and see what we see. Oh, that was an interesting click. That was a little different. That felt a little different. Nope. Same thing. Ding, ding, ding. The it's out. We get the magic ding, set of dings, and no go. Okay. So this time I am gonna mess with the magnet again. And press the start button, and feels snug. Red light's on. We can hear the roar. Trying to pick water up even though there's no water in the basin. Seems to be the normal thing. Let's see what happens. Actually, interestingly enough, this one definitely only was about a minute before it died out. Just so that we know. But anyway, okay. We're going to try it again. So this time now we have a 0 on the light instead of a 30 blinking, which is kind of different. So now the 30's back. So I'm going to press the reset and go for it again. Okay, let's see what happens this time. Okay, we are beeping again. So this time I've got a flat 0. Let's see. In there. Yeah, and then it goes back to blinking. So I'm probably just not seeing it quickly enough. But so if I do start, and I've also tried to hold down and reset, but that doesn't ever really do anything. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with the magnet again. Let's give it another go. Okay, lights on. Okay, once again, didn't work. That did take about 2 seconds. So we've also tried doing some other things in here. Reaching in, pulling this guy out, and I don't know, scrubbing around in here. This has, maybe by just pure coincidence, has caused something to happen in the past. Alright. Okay. Still the blinking 30. We're going to press the start. Red light. Let's check it out. Okay, that didn't work either. So we're going to try again here. And Well, tried a few. So we have the 000. Let's see if it.
Like usually.
Yeah, now it's back to blinking 30. We're gonna. Yeah, let's try it. What the heck? There we go. Pop the magnet down. Okay. Start. Missed on that one, and then when I. So it did come up with that, and so I'm gonna press again. Excuse me. For whatever reason, doesn't seem to be working. So now I'm gonna turn the power off, turn the power back on. Notice that I can hear a valve releasing. Hear some gurgling water down there when I did the power on, power off. And for whatever reason, oh, I know why it's blinking. It thinks it's in the middle of the cycle. So let's close it right now and see what happens here. Okay. Okay, back again. Same result after a couple minutes. So I guess we're on to the next one. So I think we're on trial 8 or 9 now. So we'll wait here. And I'm just going to keep doing exactly the same thing from here out because it really seems like it's just a matter of chance if it actually comes on or not. Okay, that didn't work, so we're going to do the same thing. Wait. Wait for the blinking light. Press start. Red light's on. Nope, didn't work. So, let's see. All right. That one's for you.
Are they
Okay.
sugar strawberries?
Yeah, they've got a little bit of sugar on them. All right, and try it again. Red light. Hear the grind away of that wonderful sump pump cleaning us out. Okay, same thing.
Right.
I know how to make
No
an
go.
insta-kill trap.
I know.
Wait for
So
30.
we need some mine to get into somewhere.
There we go.
Hey, yeah,
Press
hit the
start.
top block and then
Hope springs eternal. Let's see.
We put bookshelves all over
30. Boom.
so that they would get lots of magic.
with a pickaxe is terrible.
About to fail. Yep. Okay, I'm getting good. I can predict when it's going to fail. Kind of get a low growl as the sump pump decides it's not going to run anymore. But that's usually after 2 or 3 minutes. So, in fact, just for fun, we're going to time it this time. Nico, can you go get your stopwatch?
Stopwatch.
Well, after about 10 or 12 attempts, looks like we have success. Yep, I can hear a difference in sound now. After about 30 seconds, much shorter than the typical sump pump duration, it stopped. I could hear water entering in. And now, pretty sure, yeah, she's working. And the beauty is regardless about how I screw it up now, I can't screw it up. So I could open and close that door as many times as I want to, and this cycle is not going to interrupt. It's absolutely related to the sump pump basin thinking it's got water in the bottom. It's the only reason. And it's an intermittent failure, and there must be a sensor, probably the turbidity sensor, that needs to be replaced on the bottom. Hope that helps.